Hi. How's it going? I am sitting here and I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna try to learn how to mod Palworld today. And we're also gonna go through and try to figure out the new character who I'm gonna add to the circus. And then, we are also maybe not. We are also gonna draw that character. But there's a big probability that I'm just like, okay. I'm good. I'm good. Time to play a game. I don't know. It really depends on how I feel about Palworld and how I feel about modding it. Because a lot of the stuff with modding it isn't fully set in stone yet. So if what I want to do isn't possible yet, then I'm just gonna look at it, I'm gonna say, no, and I'm gonna walk away. It's not the greatest documented thing. Thanks for all the observant imagines, right? So anyways, how is everyone doing? I forgot to go through and do my self-promo nonsense. Give me a quick second to do that. Maybe. Also, hi, Bodle. How are you doing today? How's everyone else doing today? I legitimately want to know because I'm just like, no bueno, you got an interview to get a second job to pay your debts. That's unfortunate. All the hugs to you, Bodle. I hope it goes well. I have a lot of debts myself, and I'm just like, okay. I have to figure out how to deal with them once I get to Canada. Once I'm able to move, I will worry all I want about that. But yeah, all the hugs and the care to you, Bodle, and hoping that you can go and figure it out. So yeah, it's time. It's time for me to freaking, okay. You're about to see how I plan on doing this today. And it's not gonna look the best, but it's gonna be what I do. I have my display captured, so I have a display that I'm looking at that I'm just like, okay, that one I just sit down and I say, we work with it. We do it. And currently, let's see. I am reading this to try to figure out how everything else works. I'm not fully anything. My brain is like, how do you work? So yeah, in addition to that, what I have is another thing. Hang on, I need to resize this so that it fits better. With this, I can take a look at everything that's actually in Palworld, the entire continent and such, and if I remember correctly, there's a data table somewhere in here that says what everything else is. I forget where it is. Frick. Let's see if I can figure that out first. Make sure I'm at a point where I can begin working on this before I begin working on it. I also have to remember because in here's where it said somewhere in there to go and do the data table somewhere. I forget where. I'm just hoping it hasn't changed. If it's changed, we're screwed. That's not the right data table. Okay, it might just be under PAL, and it might be this data table that we're looking at. Yay! I try to remember. Oh wait, duh! I remember where it is. Like, I might have changed it update. It might have changed it in update, yeah. And if it has, I'm gonna sit down and just say, no. I'm good to go. I am fine. I remember where the data table is, though, and it's in a different program entirely, Visual Code. Where basically, the instructions said just dump everything into Visual Code. Dump the data table in here, and I did, and now it's like, now I can read exactly what it wants. Let's see, specifically I was looking at here are the moves. What's the plan? You don't know how to read into this. Okay. Here's what I've been able to figure out on my own so far. I have here, under the Waza Master Level.json sheet. This says exactly which pals learn what moves at what level. And their pal ID is never their name, it's just like a quick description of them. So Chicken Pal, Carbuncle for some reason, Boar, yeah. Just a bunch of Jason, that's not bad to work with, yeah. But what I largely want to figure out how to do is this, following the guide. If I can figure out how the guide works, then we are good to go. We are good to go. Everything else should be easy peasy to figure out. It's just learn the guide, and I could learn everything else. That's all I hope for. So, UE4SS is also something it had me download that will help go through and modify everything. And I can access that through Lua. Don't know anything about CS or programming. Okay. Mostly because that's what you are. Okay, I need to learn how to use UE4SS, which is a tool. a tool that will let me change things. I am so tempted to just go through and start playing Penny's Big Breakaway right now. I am just... I told myself I'll give a solid try at this. Change what? Different things in the game itself. What happens, what loads in, that kind of thing. Like, I could change a house to a bench or something like that. What game? Palworld. Okay. One last thing I have to make sure I open. Gotcha, you've only played a little on Xbox. Understood. One thing that I'm gonna go through right now and make sure I do is just have do we want to try copying that first example then? Yes. I just had a moment where I'm just like, do I do this? The answer is yes, still. Yes, still. Maybe adding a print so we can see that. Yep. Hi, Starry. Thanks for the head pats. It's just chibi fight now. Okay. Well, hi. Hi. I try to figure out exactly where I put everything. Cause I just you know what? Let's just figure it out. Let's read it and I'll figure out what I'm missing from there. Okay, it comes in with a built-in Lua API. Okay, cool. Part of that is an array of useful functions. Okay, cool. You have two functions to make it the bread and butter of our Lua scripting. Cool. Let's just introduce you to them. Hands-on experience is next one. Okay. I don't know where to put this yet. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea at all. It could just be like, no. It said hands-on experience the next chapter. This is just introducing. Okay. Hi, Starry. Calm down. Don't freak out. Register hook. What does it do? Hooks onto some function. Fires after it is executed. Okay, cool. Most common register hooks you'll see in scripts is this. Look at the Lua mod structure page. Lua mod structure page. Okay. It mentions the scripts folder. Ah, it does! To create a Lua mod, we need to head into the mods folder of our workspace. Ah! The mods folder of our workspace, which is in here. Oh, right, which is here. Okay, yeah. Mods folder of our workspace. File enable.txt tells you that your mod should be enabled, and folder scripts. This is store all our scripts. Okay. I did this. Enable.txt. And then folder scripts. So this is where we put stuff. This is where we put stuff. Ha! Okay. This is where we put stuff. Main.lua, this file will be the entry point of our mod, and we'll do all our logic here. Yay! Okay. Thank you, Ryan. Ah! I freaking love the chibi model so much. Ah! Yay! I also don't have any head tilt in this model, but it's fine. So cute. Yay! Thank you. Okay. So, what I remember in this is that the client restart is like... Yeah. Client restart, yeah, client restart is the game starting? Player controller, client restart, yay! Yay, so cute! What's the point of this whole why do so many scripts use it? It executes do something after the client restarts. So, the game opens, it does something. Okay. Not everything is available right away when the game launches, so sometimes you need to delay your logic until you know whatever you want will be accessible. A general rule of thumb is anything that starts with script should be available immediately. Anything else you probably should put behind a hook like this. But this hook also sucks because it doesn't work for dedicated servers. So, since we're gonna do a dedicated server, we're doing this one. Player controller server acknowledge possession. There we go. This should get called whenever client connects to this server. It also works for local games. You use it most in your scripts, okay? Sometimes it doesn't work and you don't know why, but we'll just claim ignorance and blame the person running the server. Okay. First parameter of the code. You can also get the params from the invoked function. The callback function of this is always function self parameters. Stupid function issue entity string message. Is Palworld cross-platform yet? No, I don't think so. So if you have this, you can do, so this is stupid function. It says, on stupid function running, says function context that is itself, issue ID and message. The message is so I can grab those, okay. How familiar am I with Lua syntax? Not at all. Not in the slightest. Not at all. What's up with get? If you don't remember from that some of the params we get from hooks are actually these weird things called remote and real params for some reasons. But by love and understanding, so to get the actual value, then we need to call get. Okay. So the colon it mentions there is a tripping point. Yeah, let me know. Okay, what? I am loosely self-medicating myself with caffeine because I am out of ADHD meds. Of course, it's never that easy because Dewey never used these to work with parameters, but you get the idea. Okay. Message get the shorthand for message.get message. I see. Okay, I understand that a little more. Okay. Notify a new object. Mad exhaust number 2 allows us to watch for protected objects to be created. Want to know every time someone goes to build an electric heater, it says notify a new object. This is the object. Whoa, it's the heater. Sorry, I'm like... I like my nose. If you to run the above code as is, it may or may not work. I remember when I said things that was being fadeable. This isn't a script. This might not exist yet when you try to create the notify. Ah! Like the this in Java, but it is passed explicitly. Okay. So to be sure, you wrap it up in a register hook with SAP or CR, and even that might not be enough. SAP sometimes fire too early. Wrap it with a delay too! We'll cover that in a bit, so for now we'll just take it as it is. But if you do that, you're stupid! Okay, what? Stop judging me. So what this code is saying is... Hey! Let me know! It's like, hey, the server grabbed the thing. Run the function. Okay, delay this. Give it time for everything to exist, and then anytime there's a new object of electric heater type, run this function with context and print it's a heater. But if you do that, you're stupid. Because now every time the hook fires, you're creating a new notification. 2 more players has joined your game. Now you have 3 notify on a new object on... Oh! I see. You don't want to do it like this, because if you do it like this, then 5 people join the game, it's gonna fire off 5 times. Remember, these execute whenever, whatever it is in it every time they fire, so don't be stupid and wrap it up. Okay. Local not hooked equals true. Separate instances of the function. Ah! Local not hooked equals true. If not hooked, then do the thing. And then not hooked equals false. Okay. So it's just gotta make sure someone's in the server, someone's doing things, and then it can go. Okay. Now we're coding with fire. Those are gonna be bread and butter, but let's touch on a couple more useful UE4SS functions. Okay. You need to live off and complete some art. Much love for everyone. Stay amazing. Yay! Thank you, Story. You go do some art, okay? Make your art amazing. I got distracted and I just started dance breaking. Remember, I am off my ADHD meds. Focus is not easy. Sometimes you just want the default class object. A good example is pal utility. This bad boy has a lot of great commands in it. But you can't just go do pal utility awesome function in your code. You need the default class to call it. In comes static find object. So static find object script pal.default underscore pal utility pal util awesome function. As opposed to breakdancing. Okay, these are for locating objects. There are a bunch. You probably will use find first of and find all of the most, but there's also find object and find objects. First, you can use short names, which is nice because you don't need those big long addresses and be lazy and just do something like local player equals find first of pal player character. Ah! Okay. What we want to do is we want to replace every single move in the game with explosion. It's gonna be hard. Okay, you saw execute with delay in the previous example. These are both useful at times in their own right, and you'll probably use them occasionally. Sometimes you want to make sure something happens a bit later, and in that case you can do execute with delay, and later in milliseconds, and then function something, n. Other times you want something to happen every so often, in which case you can do every so often function something. Okay. Name and ftext are special string-based shit that UE uses for some reason. I don't know why. I'm not a UE guy. I just know they're annoying on the Lewis side. If you ever need to turn the string into fname or ftext, you can do that with these functions. You can also do the reverse in case some function hands you the nasty stuff. What the frick is this tutorial? Remember we were talking about different ways to do this before. If we changed all the moves in the JSON, would that work? I do not know. I assume that's gonna be a little bit later in this guide. Callback functions. Just to clarify. Register hook, I don't know, some function itself, some complicated logic can also be written as local function, complicated function self, some complicated logic, end. Register hook. I don't know, some function, complicated function. In simple mods, people often just choose a nested callback function because it can be a bit clearer at first glance. But as you get more and more complex code, it can be worth breaking these callbacks out into their own functions. Else you'd be working with callbacks and callbacks and callbacks. Okay. Ha 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 ha. There's a lot more functions available from the UE4SS API, and I'll certainly underuse them and probably miss some useful ones, but these are the ones. Okay, cool. The data tables page says the tables are read-only for now. Okay. They're good for references. I do wonder if, like, a very, very, very dumb version of this mod could be just going through, listening for whenever any move is used whatsoever, and then just having explosion play over it. Callback hell for too many callbacks, yeah. You've got, like, what? Power modding, woo, woo! We're trying to learn it. Thank you, Cortez, for the honks. Okay. We will be hooking the function responsible for summoning a pal from your party. Okay. This is important to know. To hook a function in UE4SS, we use the register hook function as discussed. Okay. How the focus. It ain't one of your honks, Cortez. Give me a second. I'm gonna give you a free one. Cool, you got another honk. Okay. Focusing. I can focus. I can do this. To hook a function in UE4SS, we use the register hook function as discussed in the previous tutorial. The signature looks like this. Register hook function name callback. Okay. Parameters are as follows. Scroll down a little and there's an example. There's an example! I don't see the example! Hello, example! function name is the function name we could get from UE4SS live view. Yeah. Callback is the Lua function we want to get called when the hooked function finishes executing. This function can accept several parameters which will be discussed later. Okay. Replacing a hook's return value is as simple as just using return with the new return value. If you don't want to touch it, you can just not use this directive in your hook. Okay, cool. I'm gonna need to take frequent breaks today because oh my gosh, my brain is like whoosh, whoosh. Okay. However, for the register hook function, hi Neko, you have no idea what's going on. Don't die. I'll try not to. I'm forcing myself to learn this by making it a stream. I might just stop this partway through because I was like, thanks, Neko. Magnus gets all whooshy too. Whoosh! Okay. I'm a computer programmer. Theoretically. I have an associate's degree in computer science. Okay, anyways. Oh gosh. Okay. For the register hook function to work, our object needs to already exist. So here's where another important function comes in. Notify on new object. Okay. We don't care about this too much, but it matters. This function will allow us to execute some code when an object with the specified class gets created. The signature of the function is as follows. Notify new object, object path, callback. Actually, if it counts the PAL move as an object being created, we could use this to say that when an object is created, replace it with explosion. Some of this is reiterating stuff from before. Yes, it is. Ryan, you're the help. You're the help for like me not being able to understand. And you're like, aha, I know. I'm like, yes, please tell me. Okay, path object we want to watch for creation. We can get this from UE4SS live view. Paper Mario. Yes, it is Paper Mario. It's the Shy Guy toy box. Callback. The function we want to get called when the given object gets created. This function accepts a single parameter, which is the instance of the created object. Writing a first hook. So for this simple example, we'd want to write a snippet of code which would scale down pals that respawn from our party. Okay, here's an actual example of something that it's going to do. First of all, our pals that are part of our party are called Otomo in this game. So we would like to find something related to that. There's a BP underscore Otomo pal holder component, which is responsible for storing your party pals and spawning them when requested. Okay, I wonder what that is. I could probably find it in the, highlight. Because what I know is that, all the moves are under Waza. Meow. Meow. You made it home finally. Yay! Congratulations. So, well, at least no, Waza is the, yeah. And Atomo is the actual pals. Okay. Atomo pal holder component. Time to disarm, unarmor, and attempt to relax. Yay! Happy to relax. After looking through its functions, we can find one with this signature like, okay, where is it looking through the functions though? Da-da-da, da-da-da, ah! Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. I need to find out where the functions it's referring to are. Probably not under the data table, to be honest. Ah. Oh wait, DT is for data table, so BP is something else entirely. Okay. Japanese translations of Atomo and Waza, check out for those meanings, companion, and technique/move respectively. Ah! Okay. After looking through its functions, we can find one with a signature like this. Blueprints, baby? Blueprints, baby! Ah! Okay. Let's see, where would that be? It would probably be... If I look in the F model stuff, probably find it here. Ah, PAL Blueprint. There we go. Let's see. Under PAL Blueprint, I don't see Otomo, which is a problem. It might be translated, which is not... Oh, PAL Action Waza. Ha! There it is. Oh my gosh. Every single one. VP underscore action underscore unique alpaca tackle. Oh dear. Oh no. Amaterasu wolf. Yep, there's their unique move and their skill module, the unique... Okay. So under here, it appears to be... Naughty cat. Oh my gosh. All the unique moves in the game? Kind of useful. So there's Waza. What's Paul mean? Emote pair, reaction, self-death. Huh. Hey! Self-destruct underscore self-explosion dot you asset. Ah. So this is what it triggers for like the beep 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 kaboom. Okay. Hell spell switches destroying your phone battery. Here's hoping that it lasts until you get home. Okay. Here's hoping too. You can make it. Why is electric shock put separate? Oh wait, that's for being shocked, right? Maybe spawn item? Spawn item base asset, okay. Monster co-op NPC. Boss battle, logic and room. I try to find, like... Let's write down the path for that, then. True. Oh, here's the Atomo holder. There we go, look at that! A Tomo holder. That's what they're talking about. Okay, so it isn't there. I need to find out where the moves are stored, at least. The example code has a long string. That might be the exact path I'm looking for. True. Controller monster. Base camp, boss, captured cage, invader, NPC, Tomo, support, wild. Oh, these are the AIs for the different ones. Okay, cool. So that's the AI controllers then. Effects, visual effects, dungeon. Ah, the dungeon stuff. It's for holding the Otoma. Yeah. Equipment. Right. Funnel. Don't know. Incident. Ah, no. Where the frick would the moves be stored though? Not under map objects. Under skill? Oh hey, look at that! I found it! Okay, so... Each of the skills have their own... Wait, common. Bullet rain, camera shake, thunderstrike, instant attack collision, effect base, skill effects. So these are all the different moves. The thing is, I want all of these moves to wrap back into just self-explosion and self-destruct. So do you want to follow the example exactly or jump to trying it with the move? Bullet Rain is an excellent localization for the stand November Rain. Perhaps the Mighty Jod. Oh, the Mighty Jod. Let's see. Would it be under spawner? Because I'm trying to figure out exactly where it sets the moves. Under weapon? No. Where does it set the move? Where does it call for the move? That's the important part for me here. Player input, NPC interacts. Macro, limit volume lighting, lava box. I should probably get back to reading the actual, like, the guide, but at the same time, my brain is just like, but what if? What if I could? What if I could? Weird, your Twitch is still saying you're Bodle98. Well, I don't know. See, it could be under Otomo holder. No, that's just for that. NPC interaction? No. Could be under character. Character, monster, PAL actor, blueprint. Oh, these are all just all the individual... Printing on spawn working. We can try different things and see what they print. Yeah. Move underscore catbat.uasset. This could be where it draws its moves from. Which means this might be what we, like... Copy... directory path. I'm gonna quickly save that. Because I'm thinking if they all have individual separate moves, I might have to go through and just say, hey, let's, yeah. But yeah, you're right, Ryan. I should be just doing that. Yeah, but PAL actor BP. And then I might have to change each one manually. Ugh. Which is unfortunate, but at the same time, that looks like it might be what's necessary? Unless there's a common? No. Yeah, they might have completely separate... Know what I'm talking about. They absolutely do look like they have completely separate, like... moves for each of them. Like, a different list that they reference to. So I'd have to learn how to get into the blueprint, change each one, and then do that sequentially. If you need to change a bunch, then that seems automatable. Yeah, it does. A little bit. But we have an idea, so... let's just go through... Keep following the guide. Okay. After looking through its functions, we can find one with signature like this. Oh wait, we can look at the individual functions? Hang on a second. Whoops, that's not where I'm supposed to be. Wait, I wasn't looking at you. I was looking at you. Yeah. So I wonder, can I look at your functions? Oh, here we go. Okay, so name, bs underscore move underscore catbat, properties, sample data, animation sequence. Okay, so that's just the idle. And that's the walking, that's the running. This might just be how it moves and not the actual skills it uses, because that's walk. Yeah, it's just how it's moving. So that's not what we're looking for. That's not what we're looking for. Okay, just gonna look through to see if the, so what about the thing at the path in the example? Oh, I could probably look at that. The BP underscore Otomo Palworld component. Game PAL blueprint component. Okay, actually, yeah, you're right. Let's see. PAL. It has to be under content, so PAL blueprint component. Says Atomo holders, so. Look, a cute clown. Oh, they're your darklings. Okay, so we have the different stuff here. Thank you for calling me cute, darklings. I haven't been feeling cute, so it's nice. Let's see, update reserve location, increment active Otomo count, get next valid slot index. This just seems like the your specific like party and not actually set trainer, remove from party, yeah, set owner characters, find mirror, yeah. None of these are moves. Or Waza. Ah, thanks for the headphones. Guide mentions and activate Otomo. Okay. I'm gonna cut off there and just say our pals that are part of our party are called Otomo. Pals that are part of our party. Judging by what I'm looking at, this is strictly considering pals who are caught by you, not like what moves they have or what moves wild pals have, but just pals that are inside your party. I don't think that's what we want. It doesn't seem like it's what we're looking for. Ride marker, shooter spring arm, sound emitter. Gotta do something with the party, not moves. Yes, yes. We want to do something with moves. Could it be under action? Well, we did look under action. What does pal mean? Pair and emote. What are you? Action emote. Okay, that's probably not what we're looking for. Reaction self-death. And then here we have Waza. Waza, alpaca. Oh, wait. Unique skill module tackle _ alpaca? Could this be it? Okay, because this just goes for Alpaca's unique tackle skill. Engine. Yeah, it's the unique tackle skill. Blueprint generated class. PAL content, PAL blueprint action was a... yeah. Okay, these appear to just be unique moves and not the... Might be worth getting the example running first though? Up to me. Yeah, it might. It could be good just to get the example up and running. Just to learn. Just to learn. I'm not gonna jump in head first. Okay, back to guide. After looking through its functions, we can find one with a signature like this. Activate Otomo. 32 slot. Okay. This is a function that is responsible for when the pal from our party gets bombed, throwing it from our party. Okay. Let's hook that function. But first we need to make sure the object we want to hook it on exists, so let's do the hooking whenever a new object spawns. And for that we will need to use notify on new object. I wanted to avoid going through and packaging things this shame, but I might have to do it. And that's gonna be weird. But anyways, let's do something already. Here. It's just hello world from Lua, that's just print. Register hook on client start. And then it'll say notify a new object. It'll say the Atomo holder component. Okay, so that's whenever the Atomo holder comes into play. And it'll say new component. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay. And now I'm gonna open Power World. Oh dear. Right, I think that's all I need to do for now. Literally just copy pasting stuff. Okay, it's fine.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jack, and today I'm here to tell you about the word octagon. Now, octagon is an amazing shape that has 8 fantastic sides.
I gotta freeze and slow down a little bit here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what we're looking at is whoop. I opened up the game. So registered native hook, client restart, there's client restart, let me just move that into my own personal, yeah. Just to make sure that, the IP address doesn't get shared. Understand the concept of love. Ugh. Understand the concept of love. Ooh. Okay, so here we're looking at it should say near the top, hello world from I don't see anything. Here's the client restart that we heard about. There's a search box, looks like. Yeah. Oh! There it is, right at the top. Hello World from Lua. Nice. Okay, hello world from Lua, it worked. And now... if I go into the game real quick... and then I throw out a PAL... it should say new component. No. Well, we started it anyways. Okay, but regardless, that's a good start for that. Hello world from Lua. Okay. And now let's see our logs. New component, I'm not seeing any new components show up, unfortunately. It should be about here, but it's not happening. But it did say hello world from Lua, so I'm gonna assume this is that little bit where it's like, sure, if it doesn't work, blame the person who set up the server. No, we register hook for client restart before trying to register for notified on new object, because otherwise registration is not reliable and might not always get fired when the component gets created. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, it dropped the notify on new object though, which is unfortunate. Let's see. Now it's time to write the hook we want. For now, let's just print that our PAL got activated. To do this, change your code to the following. Oh, new component and then register hook. So just copy that, put you in here. For now, that's just what I'm doing. Paste. Save view. After doing so, you can press the Restart All Mods button in UE4SS. Okay. It's gonna be Restart All Mods. Did I enter the world when testing before? I haven't tested strictly before. I just made sure I could get the UE4SS working. Which is exactly what we're seeing here. Oh. Hello world from Lua. Enable cheat manager. I'm not seeing the I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. Remember running it and seeing the hello world from Lua. Yeah, I did. I entered the world. Try throwing a PAL frame reporting. You should see this in your console. Okay, I'm gonna throw one. And it should say activating Lotomo? Negative. Hang on, if I remember correctly, it is currently using the client restart, but I'm entering the server, so it might be more pertinent to use the alternate one, which is the server acknowledge possession. Which if I go into my code and instead of saying client restart, just go to server acknowledge possession. Makes sense, we could put both in. Yeah, we could. I'm just gonna do one for now. And then I go restart all mods. Return the title. Then we should see Hello World from Lua and then the stuff we want. Negative. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Could put a print just above of notifying new object too. Yeah. If I do that, it could possibly help us track down what's happening here. Okay. Print. Greetings from step 1. There we go. Save you. Restart all mods. There's Hello World from Lua. Wait. Hello World from Lua. Registered native hook. Nothing. Interesting. I don't think it's progressing past the point. It didn't fire. Yeah, it didn't fire. Interesting. What if I just go to a single player instance if it works there? Actually, no, I don't want to. I don't want to. Frick. Okay, if you're not seeing a message from mod here, make sure you have enable.txt in your mod folder. In the mod folder, we have enable.txt right there. If there's still no messages, edit mods.txt to complete your mod and enable it there. Sheet manager, actor dumper, console, Oh! Oh, yeah, this is a problem. This is a problem. It's, yeah, it's test Lua interrupt mod. We need to include that. That's our problem. It wasn't... I guess it wasn't? I don't know. Hopefully that was the issue, because if that's not the issue, frick? Starting mods from enable.txt, no defined load order. Oh, mods reinstalled. Yeah, the first part working anyway, though, just kind of tells me I'm probably wrong in thinking that's the thing. Give me a second. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Oh, I just realized what's happening. Oh. Ah! Oh. I just realized what's happening. And why I'm so... Hi, radio. That's a feeling of progress. That's a feeling of stupidity. So here's what's happening. It's not my server. That's all that's happening. It's not my server. It's not my server. I'm not running the server on my computer. Of course it wouldn't register anything coming from there. Because it's not getting anything from there. Of course I wouldn't be able to modify it through that method because I wouldn't... And see, the second I go and open I make a brand new world, it says greetings from step 1. And look at that, registered script hook. Of course I did. Can I run a server locally? I'm just gonna run a... You're gonna notice I'm being... It is slow time. It is time for dumb. I am just starting a brand new slow time. It is time for dumb. Look at that! Look at that! I started a new game and it says new component in there. I did it! I did it. 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 Look at that. Greetings from step 1. New component. Ah! I have to start a brand new game though, so give me a quick second. This music feels very, very pertinent. Give me a second. I have to actually catch a pal. I'm just gonna have it right there. I'm gonna have the feed right there. Give me a quick second. I gotta go beat up a pal, catch it, and then see if we can do a thing. How the frick do you beat things up again in this game anyways? Next up, program an entire game from scratch because that's easy, right? No, it's not. Okay. Primitive workbench. Build right there. We're doing this the dumb way. I really wish I had prepped this beforehand. Now that okay, we have a pal sphere. Time to beat up something. Anything works. So that we can test this. Where the frick are some pals I could beat up? As long as I could beat something up, we can continue. As long as I can beat something up, we can continue. Ah! You are too big. There we go, you are just right. Let me beat you up for a second there. There. We have something. And now, as long as I throw it out, something happens. There it is! Activating Otomo number 0. Yes! Okay, it works. It works. Okay. Forgot where I put the stupid bench. And then we continue. Also, just stand near a fire so that my character won't freeze to death once night comes around, because that'd be nice. Hello there. I'm hoping this counts. Okay. So, activating Otomo 0. There we go. We have it working. Yay! And the second I click out of the game, yay, I can run perfectly fine. We register a hook for a client because, yeah, okay. Hooking the function. Now it's time to write the hook we want. For now, it's just print that our pal got activated to use change your code to the following. Yep, there we go. We did that. Activating Otomo 0. There we go. Nice. We can now get notified when someone spawns a pal from the party. Now let's use something useful with it. For the purposes of the tutorial, let's make the pal slightly smaller. For that, we would require to get an instance of the pal's actor, but how can we do that? We only get the slot ID after all. Because the component we have actually inherits from pal Otomo holder component base, we can look into the pal modding kit headers. For other functions it has, we can see an interesting function. Function blueprint callable, blueprint pure, a pal character, try get Otoma actor by slot index. Ah! So get the extra actor. This accepts the slot index and gives us a PAL actor, exactly what we need. Well, not what I need eventually, but yeah. So functionally, it's going to component equals self get. So referencing itself, and then it's going to reference a slot and use that to get the slot, and then it's going to change the skill. Okay. Okay. So now that we got that, restart. Does it work now? Yeah. That does it. Ah! Yes, I'm just like, I can do it, I can do it, I can do think, 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 I 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 do think. And now, a bush. Oh my gosh, it's tiny! Ah! Oh my gosh, it worked! The PAL is tiny! Ah, we have tiny PAL! Okay. You got a thread payout from the Ishmael banner. Yes! Woo! A lot of thread! I mean, it's kind of unfortunate you didn't get the Captain Ishmael, but at the same time, getting that amount of thread lets you level up things a lot faster. Okay. But look at that! Smaller! Yes! Okay, so that works. That works. Yay! Oh my gosh, so it works. It works perfectly well. 50-ish. Oh, that's a good amount of thread. Oh. Also, yeah, the freaking event where it's like dailies, and once you get 10 extraction tickets, you get like a free 10. Yeah. Does Otoma Actor have like move fields? I don't know. We could probably take a look at that and figure it out. Well, as a field to guess. It'd be game PAL blueprint component, Otoma holder component. Wait, where does it call the actor? Oh, it calls the actor in the code itself. Okay, try to get Otoma actor by slot index. We can look into the Palworld modding kit headers. Blueprint mod, loader mod. Okay. Maybe? Ah! Okay. I can do this. Okay. Sorry, I just need to calm myself down. Because I'm beginning to get ahead of myself a bit. And I'm like, okay. Just need to figure out where the actor is stored. It is a bunch of stuff. It is a lot of stuff right now. Let's see, so it might be under actor. feeling a bit over on this normal. Yep. Doesn't make it not worth doing, it just means you have to be careful about how much you're doing at one time. PAL Actor Blueprint. Okay, so PAL Actor, it should be under here, so we have Alpaca here. I'm gonna assume, let's see. We already looked at Move, and that's just the animation moveset. Let's look at the base Blueprint Alpaca.UAcid, right? Right, and this also talked about the specific actor, like Tomo Actor, Set Actor Scale 3D. I don't know. Anyway, it's still loading, so gotta wait. My ability to focus is going down a little bit. It's time for me to drink more caffeine, because I need to get my ADHD meds, and like, after today, I'm gonna be able to go pick up more, because I had a psychiatry appointment, so it's good. It's just, I have to get through today. Okay, you're taking a little bit to load. $1,300 lunacy in the mail. Oh boy, a free temple. Oh dear. Can we find that try get a Tomo Actor by slot index function? Maybe. But I want to take a look at the actor specifically. Blueprint, generated class, monster base, simple construction scripts, inheritable component. Let's see, class. PAL speed collision. Wait. Child properties, yeah. PAL body parts capsule 7. That's probably something else. Object property. No. PAL body part capsules. There's a lot of these. Oh, that's just the that's the actual model, right? Okay. You got Remnant Faust to U3. She was ready U2. Mariachi Sinclair in South Section 6 Mersault to U2, and then with a few level ups, you're at 3 to 6. Ah, yes. You're at 3-6. Yay! Congratulations on beating 3-4, Radio. Yay! I knew you could do it. Even if my specific explanation was not the best. Okay, let's see. Class config name game. BP type underscore normal. So that's probably the, like, the PAL typing. Monster PAL actor. Da, 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 da. I'm trying to find something that at least looks like it could be a move. Damage reaction component, so that's what it does when it takes damage. Camera boom, camera follow. Multicast gate component. Look at, yeah, these are a bunch of what it does. 3, 4, and 3, 5 for exercises and survive long enough for the team to get their act together and then run them over. Yeah! Okay. ePal Tribe ID. I don't know what that is. Capsule component, I think these are just going to be more stuff. Oh, here we go. Partner skill parameter components. Script /PAL. That's about movement. That's all the animations for it, not necessarily the actual skills. Partner skill parameter component. Object path goes to... Interesting. PAL actor BP alpaca BP underscore alpaca dot 27. PAL partner skill parameter underscore gen. Okay, so it's referencing... How's the body going? Still learning. Trying to figure out where everything is. We managed to get stuff to do things. PAL partner skill parameter. Associated guide. What? Huh. PAL cry. So that's the noise it makes. Oh, here we go. Action. Action. PAL action component. Is this what we're looking for? Monster slash BP underscore monster base dot 35. PAL action type. Wait, action map? Globally unique ID. Ah. Spawn item. Okay, so this is what it does when it dies. Action eat one shot. Okay, that's what happens when it eats. PAL anim notify. Okay, so this, it could just be partner skill, which is something else. Partner skill is like what you do. Thinkies. What are these bloodied scabbards for? Ah! Oh, that's the current event. That's chapter 5.5, which, you don't need to worry about yet, Radio? You're not caught up. The current ongoing events is usually for, like, people who are caught up on the story, which, at this moment, you just need to worry about getting through chapter 3. Head pats. Aw, thank you, Gohan. Try to find where the freaking skills are. Thanks for the head pats, so I love them. Let's see, character movement component. Head up display. Multicast. Passive skill. Passive skill. PAL shooter spring arm. Shooter spring arm? PAL skeletal mesh. Okay. I might need to just say like, tired, tired. Cause I'm just like, I'm not seeing anything here. Ryan, if you have everything looking through right now and you see something that helps, please tell me. Yeah, that's all. Would it be under you? I just need to find where they store what moves everyone gets. Shooter spring arm? I already know her. Feeling like I'm beginning to get a little overwhelmed, but I can go to the end of the hour. And then I'm gonna be like, haha! Let's read more from here. Why do we call get sometimes? Some parameters we get inside of our hooks are actually, yeah, okay. This code gets... Right. So right now in the game, we have small. If you look right next to my model, Think of the size of a normal PAL is about half your height. This is significantly less than half your height. Look at that little cutie! Ah! We already modified the game so the PALs are smaller. Okay. You don't have the stuff extracted. That is fair. Next, digging 101. Teeny pals. Teeny pals! If we wanted to right now, we could just go through and have it be a mod. Well, basically, do the easiest mod because it's just what they make you do in the guide anyway. Your pals are tiny. Your pals are tiny. Alright, so at this point, you maybe sort of understand some of the base functions available to you in UV4SS, but I know most of you are probably stuck on how to figure out what functions to actually hook onto or call to do whatever you actually want to do. Welcome to Digging 101. Yay! Let's start class by... Okay! Let's start class by getting hands-on, hop into a fresh game world, and keep the UE4SS console ready. The first task here is going to be something a lot of people are interested in. Hook the function that gets called when a chat message is sent and print that message to console. But we don't know anything about what function fires or where to even look, so let's dig into live view. Live view might not actually be the best for this. Ah! Since we're looking for a function, but I want you to start learning it and how you can switch back and forth between it and the head fires, so bear with me. In the live view search bar, start searching for something that chat message related. I recommend to keep your searches as simple as possible while still being relevant. Until you have a better idea of what you're searching for, we're looking for a function here because we want to hook into it, so don't bother looking through classes or objects, just check out functions. Once you're done a little searching and think you might have a function to try, or if you get stuck, come back, check out the... I am currently starving to death in Palworld. Give me a second. I might need to play the game a little bit, just to be like, hey, I'm starving to death, I might want to not. Search for walls, I guess? Yeah, maybe. Tiny pal versus bigger pal! Yay! I'm actually really happy, look at that. There, I'm a little less starving now. Da 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 da. Okay, so look for Waza. So we're gonna go in here to live view and search for Waza. Oh, look at that. Ah! Ah! Look, we found something! Function, add equip Waza. Add equip Waza, okay. So it needs a class superstruct properties, okay. Enumerator property, add equip Waza, Waza ID. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. We have something. Ladies and gentlemen, we have something. And if we go look at the data table, we can look at the Waza data table here. And we can see self-destruct B, that's a little different. We can see self-destruct. But we want self-explosion. The Waza ID is self-explosion. Huzzah! Okay, 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 okay. Because self-explosion is the more powerful variant that I want to use. Just because it'd be funny. So. We have that. And we have add equip Waza. Yay! So, copy full name, and I'm going to paste that into my notepad. So it's function slash script slash pal.pal individual character parameter add equip Waza. All the Waza we want? All the Waza we want! What do we want? Waza! Okay, class, superstruct, properties. Properties. It needs the Waza ID. Okay. So add equip Waza, there we go. That's not replacing though. But hey, that's something. Waza up, I found something. Add equip Waza, it's a function. Uh-oh. Ow. Anyways, we have that. We have add equip Waza delegate change equip change equip. Change mastered Waza. What is that? Clear equip Waza? Ooh. Get Waza ID, get Waza power rate, get Waza database. Waza Mac range, make damage info by Waza type, play action by Waza ID. Unchange equip Waza. Okay. So we figured that might get called when each pal spawns? That might. If we could do that when each pal spawns, that might be a little bit inefficient. And it might slow down everything by a heck a lot when a lot of pals are being loaded at one time. But it could work. Let's see, action move base. Okay. Can do something else. Ah, look at that! We have 3 function. Remove Waza, triggered remove Waza action. Okay, I don't think that's gonna work, but hey. Yay! I'm feeling overwhelmed again! Okay, it's fine. Okay. So we have a function. We have a function. Add equip Waza. Next up, we need to find... So we can hook something and add a print. Yes, we can. We are close. We are close. Theoretically speaking, we need to find exactly when each pal is spawned. We need to find the hook that triggers whenever something is spawned. And then on top of that, we need to find a function that removes the moves. Because then what we can do is that we can attach to the hook of whenever something spawns, just go through and be like, okay, remove all of its moves, add in self-explosion, and then we'll be good. It could be actually extra beneficial if we could not trigger that when, like, your own party pals, but whatever. Okay. Let's see, we have delegate function, change equip Waza, change master Waza. Function, clear equip Waza. What are your properties? This could be it. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna paste it in the notepad file I have as well. Okay, get equip Waza. We don't care what equip they have. Let's see. Add log Omo partner skill. No, get Waza ID, get Waza database. Could help to have that. I'm basically just taking everything and I'm like, this could be useful, and then I'm pasting it into a notepad file where I'm gonna store it for later. Play action by Waza ID. That could be useful. Get Waza ID. There we go. That might be important as well. Yeah. See, master Waza setup. Add equip Waza to server. You need to get more scabbards. Get all the scabbards, radio. Remove equip. Replace equip to server. I wonder if this is just I'm gonna copy this just to see. I'm once again hungry in my game of Palworld. Hang on. Da, 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 da. Time to go hunting again in Palworld because I'm keeping it open for some reason. I'm happy because I have small pal. Ah! Time to kill something. The Don Quixote event shop. She calls to you. Ah. Yeah. Okay. But the Atomo holder only works for what our character has in party. That's not going to be what all the pals spawn with. Okay, that should keep me going for a little longer. Let's see, where was I? Right, the server. Okay. Static consume item data get was ID. Okay, these are packages, curve float, blueprints. Was a bullet, I don't care. Yeah, we need to hook to something that happens when they spawn. Yeah. I wonder what happens when they spawn. Function update was a learnable. Wait! Wait! Update was a learnable! Hey! That could be useful. Does that what does the database have function we could hook? Maybe. Okay, update was an internal? Properties. Was the ID. Okay, function. Tick action on end on begin. I don't think we're getting anything else from here. Set current was ID might be useful too? Possibly. Okay, I have a few functions copied. Let's see if I can find anything before spawning. So let's just call it spawn. Get all spawn NPC. Get disabled spa spawned. Yeah. This is gonna be interesting. We need to find a hook. Right, we need to find a hook. Whatever, I don't care about what that is. No, it wasn't you, it was you. Seems like the ideal thing would be changing the return value of a function that returns IDs to always return explode. Yeah. Like, to find... Let's see, we have set current was the ID. Although theoretically, as long as we can clear out like the move list of a spawned like PAL, and then just add explode, that should work. Since then, someone who's playing through the mod could just have like teach their pals whatever moves they want, but every single PAL that spawns will always have explosion. Anyways, let's see. There's is spawned. Oh, these are base. I need. Okay, I'm getting excited, and then I'm like, I gotta keep going, and then I'm like, I'm getting overwhelmed. And there's hoppa. I need food. Face my tiny one! My tiny version of you! Face it and die! Okay. There, that should keep me going for a little bit longer. Okay, let's see. Spawned is near K. Set AI NPC location. Set check ratios. Set spawn flag. Set spawn flag? Is spawn. Okay. Maybe set spawn flag is what we're looking for? I'm gonna copy that just in case. Na 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 na. Call move to respawn location. For spawn rare pal. Interesting. Get off and despawn support pal. On long released spawn pal button. An event unlanded. Force respawn player on player respawn. This is different. Spawn new character, spawn cutscene actor. What am I looking at anymore? What am I looking at anymore? Ah! What if we added hooks for all the ones you found? That printed which one they were. I don't know. There are so many spawn. Okay, whatever. I don't think spawn is gonna work. It might not be called pal in the funk. Okay, I should have thought that, looking up pal in a game called Palworld is gonna bring up a lot of individual things. Pal spawn. We actually have things pop up. None of them are functions. That we know which ones get called when. Oh boy. Ultimo. Da 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 da. Can we get the functions a class has? I don't know. Frick! Okay. I gotta go on break. I go to break for a little bit, which I think is well deserved and well needed by me. And hopefully once I get back from break, I should be ready to sit down and do more of this. Ah! Get ready. Oh, really, Blessed? You want... Okay, you want this right now, Blessed. Play Yomi Hustle. No! There. Happy? And now, I go on a break. Betrayed. I could actually play Yomi Hustle. I'm trying to mod Palworld. If you look in the tiny screen, you'll see what we've done so far in modding Palworld. The pals that you have in your party are extra small now. I'm gonna go on break, do the stretchies. I will be glad to. I will be back in about 5 to 10 minutes. As long as you're back in 5 minutes, we should be fine. Make sure to eat, drink, use the bathroom. Be back. The show will begin again soon. Okay, so a dog and a cat decided to go and join in my... What are you doing? A dog and cat decided to wander into my room while I was on break. So now they're in here. And the cat has decided, briefly rubbing against... You don't like Power World, also hi. Hi! We're trying to mod Power World to be better by making everything explode. Okay, yep. Get PAL player. Okay, so what we're looking for specifically is we're looking for a function that goes through that is called each time a PAL is spawned. Because if we can find a function that is activated each time a PAL is spawned, we can just hook onto that, find out which PAL was spawned, and then quickly just say like, okay, swap out all of its moves for explosion. I just don't know what to do. I might just, I don't... I don't know. We're loosely following a guide. We are very loosely following a guide now. Let's try to hook that function you found and see if it actually fires when we say something in chat. Take this opportunity to use what you learned about functions, write up a script that hooks the function, print something when the function is executed. Okay. Let's do something else. To see the world, reload our mod script, we join in types of the chat. If your code is good, you should see your hook get fired if something. Okay, okay. I'm looking over at Cat being adorable. I gotta find dog real quick. Oh, you like the belly rubs, don't you? Ah, you love the belly rubs. Look at the belly rubs. Oh, oh, all the belly rubs. Yeah, that's right. Ah. Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry, I had to give cat belly rubs. Let's look at the WASD database and the .hpp files. I'm gonna follow the guide a little bit more from this point. Let's see. Broadcast chat message. I'm just gonna follow the tutorial just to get a good idea. Yeah. And to see what happens. Oh, right, it gives all this stuff here. Okay. Write up a script that hooks that function, print something when the function is executed. Okay, let's do that real quick. Okay, let's see. So this hooks on when the client restarts. So I could probably just notify on... Notify on... The function name for the hook is the full function batch you see in live view. Oh, right, okay, yeah. Oh, register hook? Oh, it's register hook, it's not notify on new. Okay, okay, in which case... Register hook... I should probably not register hook until after client restarts, so I'm just gonna say register hook. Yeah. And you're gonna be that. Cat is being adorable, and I'm just like, I'm getting distracted. Okay, there. Then... How would I do it? I would need to find, like, the specific broadcast chat message, like, what would it register as a message. So I could probably take a look inside and just be like, hey, give me the stuff. Give me the goods. Oh, dot chat message, yeah. In which case, I'm trying to think. My ability to think is very touch and go at the moment. I could say that, right? Touch and go with my thinking. My thinking prowess is low. I'm just gonna go beat up a pal real quick. You're here to answer questions, K. I'm like, K. In order to grab the actual chat message that got printed, I need to have local variable equals self dot, well, equal chat message gets, and then print local variable, right? That's how it works? That's how it works, just, chat message get, and then print that. I'm hoping that's how it works, because if it's not, I'm just, I don't know. You love me. Thank you, Paper Mario! Me and my tiny wool. My tiny woolly is just being like, we need to figure this out. Well, the tutorial expects you to try that, yes? And then it fails. Yes? Or does it succeed? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it because I'm following the tutorial to try to get to a point. But it goes on to explain why and what to do. Okay. Okay, in which case, I'm gonna skip the humming and hawing. Because I already know what I would try, and I'm just gonna say, hey. Yeah. Enter chat fired, K. Technically, you can wrap this in the SAP hook, but since it's a script, we don't need to do that. Oh, okay. I don't need to do that. Technically I can, but I don't need to. Print. Received. ... How did it go today? Right now, we are in the middle of thingy. Chat mess. Wait. What is it actually called? What's it actually called? Oh, that's not where it is. Here's where it is. Yeah. Chat message. Oh, it's capitals. Both capital. Chat message. Get.
3, 2, 1, go.
Unknown. Okay. You're slightly ahead in the tutorial. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna say received for now. That way I can tell I at least did it right. And then move on to the tutorial. Ah! Console. Restart all mods. There we go. If the editor doesn't know about it, it still might work. Okay. Okay, let's make sure it hooks on correctly. Start game. Boink. Start. Registered native hook. Yeah! Okay, so registered, and now if I type something, hi. Received! Yes! Okay, it did receive the chat message. It received the chat message at least. Okay. Now we move on with the tutorial. In comes header files, got it. Now swap over to VS Code for a sec, right click on CXX header dump folder in workspace and click find in folder, got it. Should be right here. Yeah. Find in folder. Let's open a search dialog with /cxx header dump already filled in for the file to include. Just has to search for something in all files of that folder. whatever we're looking for. In this case, we want to find more info on broadcast chat message to search for that. Okay, broadcast chat message then. Broadcast chat message. There we go. PAL.hpp, we can click on it, research, automatically open it. We also could have started off like this. Since we knew we were looking for something chat related, we could have just searched header files for chat and dug through what came up until we found something that looked promising. Yeah. Most of the stuff we care about for Lua is going to be found in PAL.hpp. That function and its parameter. Okay. We can just pass that parameter straight to our hook and hopefully get the chat message. Before we dig deeper, let's give that a try and see what happens. Try to alter your hook to grab the chat message parameter and try to print that to see what happens. Warn you that it won't work, but this is the learning process. Okay, well I already tried it and it doesn't work, so let's go forward. Yeah, that doesn't work. Because chat message is a global variable and it doesn't know that we're actually looking inside of this function for that. Yeah. Print expects a string to be given to it, and we know from the function header chat message is of type PAL message, so of course it's good. What? Okay. Chat message should be passed in. Let's go back to the function in PAL.hpp and check out what exactly it is so we can break it down and... Alright, Lua. The example has it as a parameter? Oh yeah, self chat message, right. Right. That's me being dumb. Ah! And to go back to my code. Oh, that's the wrong one. Whoops. Da 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 da. Da. Ah da da da. Ah da da da. Ah da da da. Ba ba da 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 da. That's me learning. That's me learning. I thought I left this life behind when I left college with an associate's degree, but no, I did not. Okay, and I know chat message get is going to fail. Oh, the sounds of learning. The sounds of learning! Ah! Let's go back to the function of pal.hpp and check out exactly what exactly fpal chat message is so we can break it down in our Lua. Control plus left click. Okay, cool. So we just go back. Oh, we just go to the search and it takes us boink right there. So yeah, boink, look at that. What is that type? Control left click. What? It should hop directly to the definition. It is not. does not hop directly to the definition. But at least this way I'm a clown, so that's an improvement. Okay. Was there a plugin it told me to install? No. No, there wasn't. There was not for Visual Studio Code that would add the jumping. Do you know the plugin, Ryan? If so, please tell me. I'd very much like to know. Hey, cat. I installed everything it wanted. I just haven't used this before, so I just don't. You don't know what plugin offhand, unfortunately. No! Okay. It should hop directly to the definition of FPAL chat message. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Guess what we have to do? Guess what we have to do? We have to look it up manually as the SAC/C++ plugin. I don't care. Look, I found it. Hey, look at that. I can just look it up manually. Like a good programmer. Should look something like this. That is exactly what look at. So struct that has a couple different components we can play with. For now, let's just... Okay, so it has the category, the sender, the UID, the message. So we're looking at the message, so we just want the message. We need to deconstruct the struct to get it to its parts. So now that we know the parts of the chat message, try to alter your hook to get chat message, access the message property. Da 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 ha 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 da ha 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 ha. Ooh, actor. Never. Pieces. I watch my one they fall. Black-hearted evil. Oh, brave-hearted hero. Oh, I am all I am. Da 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 da. That's wrong. Ah! Da 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 da. I just gotta look at what it says. It says, oh, right, it just makes it a local variable. Right, local chat message. Got it. I wanted to do everything inside of it, but it wouldn't let me. Right, it just wants to get, so. I just copy from here now. Oh, it makes 2 local variables. Oh, how inefficient. Local message equals chat underscore message dot message. Right. It just breaks it down so you can get at the thing inside. That's what it means. That's the sound of me learning. Or that's the sound of my brain frying like an egg. I don't know which. 2 string. Right. You gotta convert it to a string because it is not a string yet. Oh, look at that. It's upset with me because I didn't follow capitalization. Oh boy. Oh, look at that. It's still upset with me and I don't know why. Why are you unhappy? Miss symbol parenthesis. What? Chat underscore message dot oh, it's dot. It's dot. Whoops. Dot. Restart all mods. Okay, cool. All mods restarted. Start game. Enter game. Start game. Here, I'm in the game. Oh, look at that. It said I have done everything. It's saying hi to me. And it says everything's activated. Now I go and type. I say hello. Hello. And I look. And my program says received. Hello. I did it. Ah! My code did the thing! Nice work, now we can log. Yeah, okay. Dig it, dig it. Figured out how to increase the PAL box builder with the script. Technically, you can do this with PAL game settings, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about changing the memory after the box has been placed. I don't care. Welcome to me with programming. What am I with programming? I am the Vedva. I exist. This page is basically practice the previous one. Okay, cool. Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go through and try to find where I can spawn things now, or when something spawns. Hey, wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice to be able to tell when something spawns? Spawn! And it's gonna give me a lot of too many things. Spawn effect, spawn effect, spawn AI, spawn AI. Oh boy. Augmented reality, oh boy. BP action alive ragdoll that spawns the ragdoll. Spawn item. Generate world. Action NPC. Spawn Ultimo. Oh. BP action NPC spawn Ultimo. Wait. Yeah? Please tell me. This looks like the thing. This looks like thingy. Request spawn pal. This is a class, it's not a function! Ah! It looks close. A definite scent of thingitude. A definite scent of thingitude. We are hunting. We are hunting deep into the everything. We are hunting and digging through the overgrowths of freaking someone else's code in order to find the reclusive, whatever we're doing. Ah! It might be in Spawn Otomo. Give me a second. What if I can find it in here? Spawn Otomo. I am hungry in game, and therefore I will do the thing in game to let me be able to eat. I am speaking oddly because I feel like it. That has a blah blah spawn ultimate function. It does indeed have that function. Hey Lambo, attack aggressively. Attack everything. Attack aggressively. Everything's your enemy. Attack, attack, attack. Ultimo, attack aggressively. Thank you, Ultimo. I'm now gonna call them all Ultimos because my brain is full of mush. Ultimo World, Ultimo World. I'm gonna call them the Ultimos because this is Ultimo World now. Because guess what? They are Ultimos. They're Ultimos in game files. My brain is broken. Just a little bit. Look at that, I leveled up off of killing Ultimos. Now go back to the campfire I've been sitting at for my experimentations in game. And then I'll go back, look another chicken, I will murder it now. Otomon time. I've seriously got to play this game with other people, and they're gonna be saying pals, Digimon, Pokemon, and I'm gonna be saying Otomo, and they'll be like, what? Why? Why? And I'll be like, because Otomo, because my brain is broken. I am no longer hungry in game. If I click out, there we go. I'm no longer lagging as much. Okay, attach spawn Ultimo, throw weapon, throw weapon. On spawn Ultimo, call back. A. On spawn Ultimo callback. And it has a property of the ID for the Ultimo. Oh, this might be it. Hang on. Because. Doink. Because, never knew. Because. if I do that, and then this, and then this, and then that, and then I restart, I go return, and then start game. Okay, unspawn, Ultimo, callback, server eternal. New component, yeah. Okay, cool. And then all I have to do. Frick! Please, I beg you! Ah! It no worky! I made a mistake on it, no worky. Ah! Let me guess something real quick. Ah! Okay. It didn't work. But I have ideas. Okay, so it's not onspawn ultimo callback underscore server internal. That's not the thing we're looking for. That's not the looky-loo. Let's see, we're looking for functions in here. On the functions in here, we have on notify end, on notify begin, interrupted, blend out, on completed, on begin action. I messed up. It wasn't where I thought it was, but I don't care. Look at that, we have much fewer. Yes, much fewer. Okay. Spawn ultimo callback underscore server internal fpal instance ID. Okay. Spawn ultimo by load? It'd be so convenient if they just had an ID. I love one where it's okay. Hi, Rose. Okay, throw, spawn ultimo pal equals 64. What? What does that mean? Spawn ultimo by load. Slot index. Didn't we see something earlier about slots? Something you did, right? No, it's in the intro hooking function, you said something about the slot. Slot ID, here we go. Oh, the slot is like in your own party. That's not what we're looking for. That 64 thing looks like an enum. Okay. Ah! Oh, right, this is in the PAL holder component. No wonder I'm being weird. I can't... Okay. Okay. AI action underscore NPC spawn Otimo underscore C. Okay. Ba-da-ba-da, spawn Otimo by load? We tried this one and this doesn't work. So you can try spawn Otimo by load. I gotta try spawn Otimo by load. Da-la-la, da-la-la, da-da. Okay, we look at spawn Otomo. We have internal spawn Otomo by load. Here we go. You have other functions like execute ubergraph npc underscore spawn Otomo. Blend out npc spawn Otomo. See. Spawn Otomo. That's the Otomo PAL holder component. So that is the why not the AI action one? Yeah, let's go for the AI action one actually. You're right, you're absolutely right. Oh, which one was the AI action one? Frick. AI action, there we go, there we go. Actually that's a package, that's not a function. We can't use packages, we need to do functions here. PAL Otomo holder component base. I don't think that's gonna work because the PAL holder is like your own like party. That's your party. We don't want our own party. We want the wild stuff. Spawn Otomo.bp underscore action underscore npc underscore spawn Otomo underscore c. Maybe that one. Baby. Maybe. 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 Maybes. I might. We can do multiple one test run. You're right, we could. Just need to find a PAL and look at it. Oh, look, a PAL. Did it work? It didn't. I have to walk right up to the PAL. Look at that. Look how not worked my program is. Yeah, it's spawning multiple, and it's not working. I've been at this for 3 hours. I might be done for now. Bookmark the page I got to. Remove the page that I previously bookmarked. And then... you know what I want to do? I'm gonna close my door because Cat left. And then I'm gonna play a game. And then we're gonna be done. caffeine. Door close. Ah. 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 One way to search for later could be just add hooks for a whole list of functions and see which fire could write code to loop over an array and add hooks that way. I could! I've been learning this for 3 hours! You don't usually learn this much out of college, but guess what? I do now, so guess what? I am good. I play a game. My brain borked and play a game for a little bit. Lots of really learning to program happens after one gets out of school. Yes, you've mentioned that several times. I'm like, I've done for 3 hours, my brain is porked, I need to just be fine. Yay! Rest is important. Happiness is very important. Also, we did modify one thing in the game, and that was going through and making all the pals small. So we can do that now. I will have another programming stream next week, because this is going to be an ongoing thing. Keep it important, starboard, left and right. Hello. Want to get married to the sea, but legally it's complicated. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Bye-bye. Those bozos booked the blueprints. Booked the blueprints, got it. But yeah, there will be another stream of this next week. Ah! Oh, right, I forgot. Bunch of meetings next Thursday, so you'll show up later than today if I did that. Maybe I will delay it to like, I don't know. You are very important to me, to helping me learn, so I would be willing to delay the stream to whenever you'd be available. I do have other things planned though, so yeah. Yeah, how does that sound? Do you ever look out at the sea and think, that's big? Double checking where those videos are. Because I can't just delay when the stream goes. Wait. Whee! I see it. Yeah, look at that. Da-da-da-da-da. My brain is empty. No thoughts, head empty. I programmed it all away. Now I'm just nothing. Nothing, I tell you. There's nothing in me but like happiness and joy and like platforming. Ah! Looks like the thing scheduled after 4 is a free time thing. Ah, nice. Okay. In which case, I'll just have it be just at like 5. 5 next Thursday. Yay! Oh, whoops. Drop out. Sounds good. Yay! What the? No! Ah! Made it. I am so... I forgot. I was gonna make the Nekomimi lion tamer. my head is empty. I'm sorry, I can't do that right now. Sundays tomorrow. Sometimes some stream is gonna start with that. Probably tomorrow. I try not to think too hard about everything. Hi! Hi. Made it! Yeah! Second one. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Yeah, it's hard to draw program thoughts in the back of one's head sometimes. Yeah, it is. And I'm just like, my brain wants me to be done. Granted, now that I know how to do that kind of stuff, I'm just like, I just have to find... Like, legitimately. All I have to do from this point onwards is find... All I have to do from this point onwards is find the on-spawn function. Whatever gets called whenever a PAL is spawned into the world. That tutorial is better than you were imagining it would be. Yeah, it was actually pretty good. It was pretty good. But I will say this. I want to find where the freaking, like... I have the idea of a function that says it will change the moves, right? Ow. So all I have to do is, all I have to do is find that. Find where the PAL spawn, grab their ID, and then say, hey! Change all their moves to be explosion! And then we're good to go. We're good to go. Once we can do that, we are good. Yeah, there we go. I nearly wrecked myself right there. Yay! I hear a thing nearby. I wonder where it is. Oh, right, it's underneath. Oh, wait, I get it. Go, hurry! Frick. No! Ah. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. What? Game! Game! Right. Okay, Gabe, come on. Give it to me. There's one. There's two. There's three. Yay! Yay! I got all the beach balls. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Time to skedaddle. Frick. Ah, no! I messed up the skedaddling. Da 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 da. Frick. No! This is a wonderful way to just calm down after a lot of programming, and I'm just like, yeah! Uh-oh. Yeah, I survived! Yay! No, frick, don't you dare kill me, please. Whee! Ha! Look at that! I got all the things. Yay, I got all the things. Yay! Thingy's got. Oh, I see. I see what they want. Dang it! Second tier. Ah. Damn. Yay! Okay. I think that's gonna be it for today's stream. My brain is borked. My brain is so borked. Who the heck did we raid after that? My brain is borked. Ah! I know, we're gonna raid a fellow clown today. Okay, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Today was a stream. I went weird. I went really weird. I'm not even sure if anyone's paying attention anymore, but if you are, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to always be awesome, always be kind. And keep observing. Something silly could happen. We are raiding Broke Biddy. Night night. Night night. Brain Bork raid. Anyways, I hope you have a wonderful night. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. It's been wonderful. I'm gonna be trying to mod Palworld again next week, so make sure to be there.